As you guys know, in this modern generation, security is our first priority, especially when you are in the office or went out for vacation or work and there is no one at home, or you may have children or grandparents alone at the home and you need someone to look after it. So this Kent CamEye Home 360 allows you to safeguard the home and family with built-in smart features. Hey guys, welcome to TechSolbag YouTube channel. This is me Rahul here, and today in this video we'll do the unboxing and review of the Kent CamEye HomeCam 360 security camera. So let's get started. So here is the box, and you can see it is compatible with both Android and iOS, and it works with Alexa as well. And the price mentioned over here is 4,990 Indian rupees, but you can get this at a discount of 2,999 Indian rupees. And for latest pricing details, check out the link in the description below. Over this side, there are some features mentioned on this box, which says it supports 360-degree panoramic view, motion detection, a micro SD card up to 128 GB, night vision support up to 30 feet, two-way calling, which means it has both speakers and microphone facility to allow this feature. It works without internet because it has micro SD that allows it to record continuously even without internet. And most importantly, it features event-based cloud recording. That means even if the camera gets damaged, you can still have access to your recordings via cloud service provided by the company up to 30 days, and it is completely free for 1 month. So now let's open this up and see what do we get inside the box. The first thing we see is the camera itself, warranty card, and with the help of this QR code you can download the user manual. And we see a 2.5 ampere power adapter with a large USB to micro USB cable. Coming back to the device, it features a 2 megapixel camera with up to 1080p resolution support, and it has 6 infrared LED lights for night vision. This is LED light indicator, and this one is microphone. Over the back we see a large speaker grill, including QR code with serial number, and we also find a micro USB port for power connection. Coming to the bottom, it has a screw for mounting the camera on surface, wall, ceiling, or any other mounting kits. And this one is the micro SD card slot, and beside it we have a reset button to reset the camera. This security camera is powered by Nginx T31ZX chipset for advanced AI capabilities like human detection, and it packs with 128MB DDR RAM for smooth performance. And moreover, it is embedded with OmniVision sensor for better day and night clarity. Before we start the camera, let's insert the micro SD card first. Now power this up with the help of micro USB cable. And as you can see, the camera has started rotating smoothly. And now, in order to download the app, we need to scan the QR code mentioned in the box, or you can download it directly via Play Store. After downloading the app, open the app and sign up by using Gmail, Facebook, or any other email ID. And after finishing the sign up, just click the Add Your First Device, then select the camera. And now, scan the QR code mentioned on the device. After that, give any name to the camera. And now, select any 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network you want to connect with this device. And coming to next, it is asking us to double click the reset button to reset the camera. And after purple lights blinks, we need to show this QR code towards the camera to connect. So this is how the camera gets successfully connected with the app. On the top we see a live footage going on. This will allow you to listen the activity near camera. And this will allow you to speak through the mic. You can capture photos for evidence whenever you find any suspicious activities. By this you can see the footage in full screen mode, and you can tilt the camera by swiping on the screen. And you can also pan and tilt the camera by using this gear as well. This will allow you to record 360 degree around the camera. And this is to recenter the default position of the camera, that you can change it via additional settings. The night vision can be turned on or off manually, or can simply keep it automatic. We have 3 video quality options available, which is 360p, 720p and 1080p. Apart from this, there is more additional settings available. Playback option will show all the previous footages recorded in the memory card or cloud storage. In the alert settings, we can see all the alert footages captured, such as human detection, noise level alerts. And going through this settings option, we can have more customization access over the camera as per the need, like enabling or disabling the live streaming or two-way calling, and we can adjust the speaker volume, video quality, night vision or even more. And it also has Alexa setup guide that will help you to connect with the Alexa device. And moreover, the siren works fine whenever it finds something suspicious, it starts giving siren. So now let's see the video footage of this camera. So that's it in this video guys, I hope you liked it, and for more details about this product I have provided the link in the description below. We'll see you guys in the next one.